Alright, I want you to tell the difference between this and this. That's right, I got surround sound. Now we can play video games a whole lot better. Alright. Okay, so this was a save that I was probably just doing stuff in the house to carry less weight. That sounds like a lose weight thing, but I gotta turn this down a little bit. Actually, no I don't, because no one's in the house. Haha! Good. I'm actually recording during the day. Because the sun... You remember the window? Okay, sorry. Okay, so you remember the window in my old room? And it kept going toward the TV and you'd be able to see the shape of me? Well, have no fear, I moved rooms. Again, I'm back into my old room, and so now I can call my new room my old room, and my old room my new room, I think. This is the room that I have been growing up for like at least 10 years. And there's no window behind me this time. So hopefully you guys are grateful for that, and I'm going to just pause it until I get to like a place where we can do stuff. I think everything is going my way because I'm not burning in the sun today. Yay. Hey, all that rhymed. Now, you know what? Since I really don't know what to do
Where do you want to go?
I will go to Old Roden and teach you the signs.
Climb and back and we'll be off.
Now, what I mean by that,
Let's get indoors. Or in a cave. Anywhere, just out of this.
Out of what? I think it's pretty cool. Oh no. Oh no! No, I don't have flawless destruction no more. I'm useless. Wait a minute, Blood Dragon! Don't kill me! What the? Ah! Be blessed! Bless you, dragon! Bless you! Whee! Spin out of control! Where's the... Hey! Oh! I gotta go back to the bow.
Down.
Oh no, I'm getting burned! It's not that bad. What do you got to say now for yourself? Scaly, highly, creature? I'm putting these bones away because I don't want them right now.
I could use them later.
Since I almost got dragon.
You best hurry it up.
Oh, yeah, it's not the fact that a dragon just, I don't know, attacked and I just saved your hide. No, go ahead and just hurry up, please. Yeah, what a nice guy.
Oh, steady over there.
Jeez Louise, could you believe that?
Where do you want to go?
Oh my goodness. But he just watched a dragon attack my place, and then me and Serrana kill it, and then he don't care, and he tells me to hurry up. I kind of want to fire him. Yep. Oh, hi. Okay. Man, I gotta get my nose later. But, jeez. Okay, now we go in here. I'm pretty sure you can rent a room and find... Well, I'm not gonna say it yet. But you'll find something. And I'm going to do everything in my power to make it better.
If you drink too much, you're out. No drunks.
Okay.
Has hundreds of years of history, friend.
This is the Old Rolden Inn. Clean beds and strong drink.
You're awfully mature for your age.
Watch your tongue, stranger. We don't take back talk in this inn.
I wasn't being mean. At least I wasn't trying to be. So what's on the menu?
Depends. Are you thirsty? Hungry? Both?
I don't know. What's on the menu? Doesn't look in my taste. I like soup.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
You'll be looking to rent Tiber Septim's room, I take it?
sure.
That's right. In the Second Era, Tiber Septim himself led the army that conquered Old Ralden from the barbarians of the Reach. Septim would later found the empire that united Tamriel, but his first known battle and victory was right here. And this inn has the very bed the great general slept in on his first night as Old Ralden's liberator, as good as it was hundreds of years ago.
Why does it... Okay. Yeah.
Have a good rest. It's the big room with the double bed.
Cool.
All right, then.
Alright. You can sleep here too if you want, sir. I'm not trying to sound like,
Let me know if there's anything else you need.
like someone who would cheat on their wife, but if you do get tired, there's room for you. I'm not trying to make it weird. Stop judging me. Viewers, why are you doing this to me? No! What? Look, a ghost! This is what I was talking about.
I've been... Shelty? Is that you? I've been waiting.
Salty? What are you talking about?
You promised me, Yalti. You promised that when we sacked Golden, you would make me your sworn brother.
Ooh, this is
And
interesting.
I've waited. Even after the enemy's arrows dug into my chest and their hammers crushed my bones, I've waited. Give me your sword, Yalti, that we may become brothers, as you promised.
I'll find your sword.
I long to taste battle again.
Wait,
I've been waiting for you, Yalti.
who are you and where do you come from?
You don't remember me, Yalti? 2 campaigns we served together. You saved my life time and time again.
You know what? He seems to think I'm Jalti. Or Hjalti. So, what if we instead get the sword, we could get Hjalti? Unless he's in Sovngarde.
Old Ralden Inn has hundreds of years of history, friend.
If you drink too much, you're out.
Mara have
No
mercy,
drums.
that gave me a fright.
I heard screaming.
There's a ghost just wandering around my inn like it owned the place.
You said you saw a ghost.
Yes, I've heard stories that Old Ralden was haunted, but no one's seen a ghost here since the Great War. He's from the battle, I just know it. He's one of Tiber Septim's soldiers, back from the dead.
A ghost mentioned Hjalti.
Hjalti? I never heard of anyone named Hjalti. Tiber Septim had many names. Maybe that's one of them.
That doesn't seem right. The ghost was looking for his sword.
A sword? I remember a legend that Tiber Septim had attacked one of the enemy camps before he came to Old Ralden. It could be there. I'll mark it down on your map.
Thanks. Now,
All right, then.
we have some adventuring to do. Hello. It's a go. Man, that sounded like a girl instead of Mario. I gotta work on that. Oh, hi. Is this the place? No. No. All the way over there? better just do this and keep it crack-a-lacking like a peon, my baby. Okay. By the way, I don't know what a peon is. I just made it up. Let's go, dragon! I feel unstoppable with this. It's an older dragon. Woohoo! I got it before I fell. Something really good. Ah! Take cover! No. I gotta get to a point where I can arc his anus. Let's go. I don't like fire. Why don't you become a frost dragon for me, okay? Now wait a minute. Where's some other arrows? Aha! I want to try these ones. But first, let me drink a health potion. Oh! Ah! Okay, that doesn't help. Sounds like he's gonna swear. Oh. And then it doesn't say anything else. No, dragon! I will arc you. Really? That doesn't do anything. What does it do? Okay, I'm seriously gonna find out now. This makes me wonder. Nope. I like the explosion. No more! Jeez! Oh, I'm gonna die! Help! Oh, God. Okay. I gotta pull out Harkon's sword, which is dead, so now it's my sword! And then I can go all the way up here. And where is it? I passed it up, didn't I? Okay. Okay, dragon! Not so tough now, are you? Are you? Making me waste my health potions like that? I deserve this soul! I feel like Shang Tsung from Mortal Kombat. Give me my soul! I'll grab you! I got you! I kill you! And now your soul's mine! Ha 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 ha! I'm evil. Well, not me. Y'all can't see anything. Why am I doing this to you? Ooh, man, that was some good HD sound. At least that's what I want to call it. Oh, wait, this is the same dragon that's supposed to attack it? Okay. Yep, no, I got it. Someone do something. Someone do something, I'm too peasant-like. Miss. You miss. No.
I've had enough of you.
I've had enough of you too. This is even. Where are you? Nope. Oh, you actually did get me.
I'll have
Give me my health back. Come on. Die already. Ooh, that's a lot of money. I want to see how much she has. Nothing. Nothing. But I think she did have a dwarven arrow or a dwarven dagger.
Yeah.
You're not afraid of me.
Come and face the force.
I got him.
Got the best.
Back off.
Quick kill. Oh, never mind. I tried to do a quick kill. Ooh, there we go. But I failed. So I'm gonna try again.
That's close enough.
I'm warning you. Back off.
There we go. Now you go back and sneak again. That's it. Here I come! No! My plan being foiled. Look at how quick this kill is, though. Not anymore. I think I have to do this, and then there we go. It only happens like once. So keep that in mind. If you go lefty control like me. Okay, I gotta stop. We're gonna be picking up right where we left off. Right here. Right in escape. I'm not even going. Look, my controller right here. I'm not even gonna do nothing. So, yo, stay frosty. If it'll let me.